Hello, gorgeous. I'm excited. I have my second Sonya's Diva bag. I have it here. I'm ready to open it up. If you want to see what I got, if you want to check out Sonya's Diva bag, then stay tuned. Thank you for hanging out with me today. So, Sonya's Diva bag. Awesome. You guys need to check it out. It is a monthly subscription. It costs $12 a month. You get 6 items. You get full-size items too, as well as sample-size items. And Sonya is amazing. She is a sweetheart. And she really strives to get different things, like things that you wouldn't normally see in subscription boxes and stuff, which I love. I love that. It makes me so happy. So I have my Sonya's Diva bag here. I did open it because I did order some add-ons. She has a really awesome website. I'll put it down below in my description. You can check it out. You can, you know, if you want to get a Diva bag, if you want to check out what she has on her website, that sort of stuff. She always has really unique and awesome things. And she doesn't just have makeup either. I'm pretty sure she makes t-shirts. There's jewelry on there. There's, gosh, just like a little bit of everything, to be honest. It's pretty awesome. So yes, Sonya's Diva bag. Let us see. Now, she did give us a little spoiler, and you do get to pick at least one item in your bag every month. This month, she spoiled us and let us pick 3 items. So that was pretty exciting. And then we had some stuff in there that we didn't know what it was. So let's dive in. And she did tell us that this month we were going to be taking care of our brows. So let us dive in. Ooh, okay. There's like, ooh, I just want to pull everything out. Okay. So doing our brows, we have the eyebrow razors. I love these things. These are really good to like get a little, if you got a little bit of peach fuzz somewhere, to kind of scrape that off too. These things work awesome. But I use them around my brows and sometimes underneath here. If I can't pluck, or I don't have time, or I'm running late, or you know, whatever, and especially in the middle here, they work really well. So I love these things. That's an awesome one to have, and of course that's a full-size item. What do we have in here? What's this? Oh, this is the colored liner, and I told her to pick for me, so I don't know what color I got. Number 3. I got number 3. The only thing I didn't want was black or brown, because I am drowning in black and brown eyeliners. And I need a little color in my life. And this does not give you any kind of hint or anything. Oh, ooh, is it orange? Is that orange? Is that orange? Let's see. No, it's pink. It's hot pink. Right there. Oh, you can't see it. Stupid. It is hot pink. Ooh, it dried down really well. It is hot pink. That is so awesome. See, wherever are you going to get a hot pink eyeliner in a subscription box? Only at Sonya's Diva bag. Just saying. Okay, what else? Oh, this is another choice item. Oh, so that is obviously a full-size item too. So we've got 2 full-size items, and this is a full-size item. But this was another one of our choice items. And it's the e.l.f. Bite Size Face Duo. So it's got a blush and a highlighter. This is guava, and I picked it, but boy, is that orange. I didn't realize it was that orange. That's okay though. I think I can make use out of this. I don't wear blushes anyways, so I'll just use it like it's an eyeshadow or whatever. But then we have this beautiful highlight here. Let's open it up and try it out. How do you get this off here? Why do they always get me with packaging? Oh, wait. Peel. You guys. Oh! Yay! They made it easy for me. Maybe. Okay. Let's open this up and check it out. It's really pretty coral, though. It is a really pretty coral. I have to be careful with corals and oranges, though. They pull They make me look sick. They pull really... Okay, that's not bad, you guys. Okay. I might be able to use this for stuff. This is the blush. Ooh. Oh my gosh, look at that highlight. Look at that highlight. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, definitely a win there. All right, what else we got? So that's another full-size item. So far I pulled all full-size items. I've got 3 full-size items. Oh my gosh. See, this is what I'm talking about. She puts fun things in there, different things. These are eyebrow tattoos. Is that what you would call them? I'm not sure. I think they're eyebrow tattoos. But yeah, that is so fun. Ooh, I could be an alien this Halloween and just put like these up here and have like 3 sets of eyebrows. That's hilarious. I love it. Okay, our next item. This was another choice item. And it's the LA Colors Browy Wowie Brow Pencil. And this was a choice because, you know, it's hard to pick eyebrow products for people. So she let us pick this. And we were supposed to be able to pick this, but I just told her to give me whatever she had. Or whatever, you know, just whatever she had the most of, I guess. So this is the next one, and this is in soft brown. Open it up here and try it out. It's got a little spoolie brush on the end here. Oh my gosh. I can never get the plastic off just in one swoop, all easy like. Oh my goodness, okay. Hello. This is interesting. Look at the tip of that, you guys. It's in like a triangle. That is so cool. That's gonna make filling in your brows so much easier. Look at that. Okay, I'm very intrigued. I definitely want to give this a go. That is so cool. I love it. Okay, so we've got 4 full-size items. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4. Oh my gosh, look at this little purse. This is so cute. Ooh, it feels waterproof. Look at this. It's so cute, this little bag. And it's it feels like it's waterproof. I wonder what the inside feels like. Oh my gosh, it's got a long string. Look at that. The inside feels like canvas almost. But it's got a decent pocket in it. And it could fit almost my whole hand in there. This would be perfect just for running around or when you're, like if you're on vacation or whatever. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is what I'm talking about, this kind of stuff. This is so cute. I love it. So, that is my Sonya's Diva bag. So freaking happy. I'm so glad I found this, you guys. It's so different. I love it that it's different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 6 items because I forgot about the eyebrows. But let me show you the kind of stuff that she has on her website because I have my add-ons. And if you're a Sonya's Diva Bag member, you can shop and get free shipping. It'll just ship with your Diva bag, which is awesome. So let's start with this one because I didn't realize it was a liquid eyeshadow. But look at this packaging. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that silver. So this is a, who is that by? More Us USA. Okay, I see you. So it's a liquid eyeshadow, eye candy. And this is in the color Starry. It had star in it, so I had to get it. I want to go back on before next month and she's got these really awesome colored mascaras on there, and I want to get some for Halloween. So I need to get back on there and make another. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so it's just a regular doe foot applicator. Oh wow, okay. It's pretty thin, but it's very metallic. You see that? It's very, very pretty metallic. So it's like a gunmetal gray. Right up my alley. I love it, and I love this packaging. I'm like a sucker for packaging. That's why I love Too Faced so much. I love their packaging. I mean, they've got good products too, but you know. And so I have two by Clean Color. These are Madly Matte Metallic Lip Gloss. Oh, I didn't know they were a lip gloss. But with them being matte, they probably dry down. So this one is in 1669. Okay. Yeah. So it's 1669, I guess. But this is a blue metallic. Let's stick it over here. Oh, oh, that's pretty. So it looks like you're probably going to have to layer it, like put it on and let it dry. This is the blue. And then maybe put a little bit more on. Or if you put like a base color, you could put this over top of it and it wouldn't show like your skin color through. That's pretty. I like that. Oh, it smells. It smells kind of sweet too. Maybe that might be my lotion. I've got my, it's starting to get into fall, so I've got my Hints lotion, the fresh coconut and watermelon. I bet you that's what I'm smelling. I have to keep lotion on my hands or oh my gosh, my hands get so dry. Okay, anyways, moving on. So this one is, oh wait, this is centered on the plastic. Okay, 1669 Slated. That's what this color was, Slated. Why don't they put it on the bottle? That's kind of silly. Whatever. And then this one is like a green, like a blue-green. And this is 1671 Rocky. And this is, yeah, I don't have anything like this color. I didn't have anything like this blue metallic either, which was really awesome. And since I do my random generated Wednesdays, I like to have, you know, different kind of stuff, different colored stuff. That's also been one of the reasons I've loved this Sonya's Diva bag so much, because I'm getting all these really awesome different things to add to my random generated Wednesday. Okay, so this is like a more of a blue, but it's blue-green, and it's very metallic-y. They are definitely very metallic-y. But you can see it's kind of, you know, spotty. I think if you lay down like a good base color, you're going to have no issue with that. Okay, this one is A.Girl Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting Lip Color. And this one is in Starry Night. Of course it is. How do I get this off? Oh, these never come off right, I swear. I don't want to take the label underneath off. Packaging is the worst for me. It gets me every single time. This plastic stuff. And those little foil things they put on like foundations and stuff. Look at the packaging on this. This is so pretty. So this is another lip. And it's hard to tell. Like, it's got a purple shift. It's really deep. Oof, that is dark. I'm going to put that one up here. Oof. That's like a... It's almost like black with a purple shift. So that one's right here. I don't think you can really see the shift in it, but it's dark with like a purple shift. Let's see. Okay, so this is the eyeshadow stuff. It dried down fully, which is amazing. I don't really use liquid eyeshadow stuff because usually it messes up on my eye and I get it everywhere, but this one is dry. The lip, yep, they dry down. So I'm trying not to touch this one because it's still wet, but so that's awesome. So yeah, if you put a base under those first two lips, yeah, this is so pretty. It's so hard to place that color because it's like black, but it's like purple and like you catch a blue hue every now and then. That is so unique. Awesome buy. Okay, and then the last add-on item I got, and I think for all of this I only paid $12, like 12 or 15 bucks, I don't remember, but it wasn't very much. I have this J-Cat Beauty Extreme Access Pocket Shadow in Pops of Paparazzi. So this is the shadow. It's so cute. Had to have it. Let's open it up just so you don't get the glare. Look at that, you guys. How gorgeous is that? Let's do a couple swatches. Although, let's see if this stuff will come off easily with my wipe here. Oh no. You guys. I made a mess. Oh boy. Okay, all right. It's coming clean. A little bit of scrubbing. As soon as I started wiping, I was like, oh crap. It's just gonna smear everywhere, and then my whole hand's gonna be like multicolored. Okay. It came off though. So let's do a couple of swatches, and I can't swatch on my inner arm because I have tattoos. So yeah, I don't know. I've got to do everything on like the top of my arm and my hand here. So I'm not going to swatch them all, but I do want to get into a couple of these colors. So there's that, ooh, that's not very good. There's that light purple, the light pink. Let's do the bright blue. Oh, it's pretty. Let's do this green shimmer. Let me clean it off my hands. These masks don't seem too bad. That light purple didn't do very well. But yeah, we'll see. Let's do this purple shimmer and see how that does. Shimmers are usually okay. Like it's really hard for a company to mess up a shimmer. I want to see what this yellow looks like too. We'll put this up here with the matte. Ooh, that's bright. Okay. Okay, so these are pastel-y colors. The yellow's right here. You can see it's fairly light. The purple's fairly light. The pink is fairly light. That blue came off really electric blue. And these are the shimmers. So not bad. It's more pastel than I thought it was going to be, except for this electric blue. Let's see if this green comes off pastel. Or if it's green. Yep, it's pastel-y. So most of them are pastel, but that's not bad for a spring palette. And you know, this is a nice little travel palette too, so. Well, that is everything I got from Miss Sonya this month. Go check it out. I'll put the link down below. Sonya's Diva Bags. She's amazing. Support her, please. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Have a fabulous, fabulous day. And remember, keep sparkling.